This healthy oatmeal bread recipe is not only nutritious and full of protein, but it is also incredibly delicious, easy to make, and perfect for a hearty breakfast or a satisfying snack. To make this oat bread, first, toast some pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds in a dry pan over medium heat. Stir them frequently for about 5 minutes until they are golden and fragrant. This will give the oat bread a richer taste and a delightful texture. Next, crack 2 medium-sized eggs into a bowl and whisk them until they are well beaten and leave them aside for a moment. Then, pour 2 cups of oats into a large mixing bowl and mix in the beaten eggs along with 1 cup of unflavored Greek yogurt and give the ingredients a good mix. Now, add a pinch of salt and pepper, followed by the toasted seeds and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Give the ingredients another good mix to combine everything well. Then, pour the oat mixture into a parchment paper-covered loaf pan and smooth out the top with a spatula. Then, sprinkle a handful of oats on top of the loaf for that charming rustic farmhouse look. Bake the oat bread in a preheated oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 35 minutes. This simple oatmeal bread is yummy with a slightly nutty taste. It feels soft and a bit chewy with delightful crunchy bits from the seeds. Spread a layer of butter over the warm oat bread and you will find it irresistibly delicious. If you enjoy baking with oats, be sure to also check out this 140-year-old recipe for date-filled oatmeal cookies that I discovered on Reddit. Check it out now.